When it comes to using the stethoscope as far as for heart sounds, then that's different, right? So what you're going to do, same thing as well. What you're listening for, depending on what the patient's there for. If you're just doing a general assessment, and you just honestly just listen to the heart, the beat of the heart, that's different. If you're listening for a murmur, I will tell you, some murmurs are pretty hard to detect, even as a trained nurse. But it's an extra sound, so we call it like an extra sound, S3 sound. So when we listen to the heart, you're gonna go and do the same thing as well. Put your stethoscope on your ears, and you're gonna put it into there, just about right here, and you're gonna listen. And what you're listening for is a love dub, and you're just making sure that the sound is normal pace, normal beats, normal rhythm. And that's what you're listening to. If they have a heart issue, then you're going to do a more extensive